Hello students. See, there is a story begins in this way. Two ants, they were very good friends and they are lost in the forest. All of a sudden, they got a pendulum and start playing with it. You can see here, they start playing with that particular pendulum. Now, there is a gamification of this problem, simplification by gamification. What is the distance between, you got it, this is a pendulum problem. So we have to find out the distance between these two ants while they are playing. Some informations are given like it's a 60 degree and the time period that is being taken by this particular pendulum is 2 seconds. This is the information that is given up to this. So if you want to make a try, you give a try, you can pause it and give a try. Now come. See, when you are studying some huge intricate topics, you can simplify it by gamification or make some story, correlate, make some story out of it. It going to be very interesting for you. So how to solve this kind of problem? You have given t equals to 2 seconds. Just you put a simple formula in oscillating pendulums, you know t equals to 2 pi root under L by G. It is the fundamental length from this point to the center of the, if it is a sphere, center of the sphere, pendulum. G is the normal acceleration due to the gravity and 2 pi is the constant of proportionality. So what should be the t? It is given 2 seconds. That means, just a second. This is the thing. Suppose it is 30 centimeter 1 foot, 2 feet 90 and this is the length. So its angle is 60 degree. It is making 60 degree angle and it is now oscillating in this way. So the time period is taken, that is 2 seconds. Length is exactly 100 centimeter like this. So how to approach to this particular kind of problem? 2 seconds, there is a t is given. Then put it 2 equals to 2 pi root under L by G. Then it will be cancelled. Then make a square, left and right, make a square. So 1 square equals to pi square L by G. Now we can consider one thing here. Pi equals to 3.14 and G equals to 9.8 meter per second square. Now pi square is almost equals to G. So if you consider that pi square is almost equals to G, the local G we can replace it. So 1 equals to G L by G. So L equals to 1 meter per second square is I. So length of this pendulum you got 100 centimeter. Up to this we are done. Then we have to find out the distance between these two ants. Can you see the ants here? This is a very bad drawing. So 2 ants are here. We have to find the distance between these 2 ants. We got the length here, okay, and t is given. Now what to do? We have to find the distance between Mona and Lisa. Suppose this is one and names of Mona, that one is Lisa. Then what to do? See, this is 100 centimeter. We have calculated. We do not know this length. Suppose this is x and this is x. So the distance is going to be x plus x equals to 2x. If we consider this is also 60 degree. There is no damping oscillation. It is oscillating in a proper way. Then how to approach? Simply you take cos 60 degree out of it equals to base. You do not know the base. Suppose this is the base like b by 100. Okay, now comfortable. So cos 60 is a sin 30, so it's half. So B is going to be 50 centimeter. Now you got this value, this is 50 centimeter. Is it not proper diagram? So it has to be 50. The height is 50 centimeter. As you know, mgh is converted into half mv square, so there should be some height. That height is a 50 centimeter. Now you have to find this distance. Then what should be the next step? So we can take sin 60 that is equals to x by 100. Better you take tan 30, tan 60. Sorry, if you take the tan 60, it's going to be p by b, perpendicular by base. So it's x by base of 50. Already we have calculated this one. So tan 60 equals to root 3. So x equals to 50 root 3. So 2x equals to 100 root 3 centimeter. If you take root 3 equals to 1.7, so it's going to be 170 centimeter approximately, or leave it as it is. So we can approach in this way, and also we can calculate the height, the functional height, and also we can calculate the velocity here. If you equate this one, mgh equals to half mv square, you can calculate the velocity also. So the velocity equals to root under 2 g. H is 50 centimeter, means half in meter, so it is a root g equals to pi, because we know pi square equals to almost equals to g, so it's going to be pi meter per second. So we can get so many things out of this problem. So first we have to gamify a problem, simplify it, and we have to enjoy this one, because we can learn by so many approaches, so many methods. This is what I was trying to convey. That's it. Thank you.